Hi, my lovelies. I know it's been a hot minute, like a real hot minute, since I've uploaded anything, and I promise, we're gonna come back and we're gonna come back with like a full swing of everything. I'm gonna definitely update you guys in the next couple of videos, but for right now, I just wanted to upload this quick get ready with me because it's, like I said, it's been a while. So as usual, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate with this Morphe M152 brush. I am so sorry, I look so purple. I literally had just dyed my hair that day, and I got it everywhere on my hands, on my ears. My hairstylist would be so mad at me, but I was blonde for a little bit and then I just got over it. So to clean up my brows, I am using a NYX full coverage concealer with this flat synthetic no-name brush. I will also be using the concealer as my eyeshadow primer, but you guys know the drill. We're just doing the bottom and then we'll do the top later, but honestly, I've been loving doing my eyebrows first, and it just gives me like a better overall canvas of how drastic I need my eye makeup to be. And to set it, I've been using this WetNWild pressed powder in the shade Neutral Buff. And you know, you can use whatever you want. You could use the shade that's in the quad. This is the Kat Von D Rust quad that I picked up at TJ Maxx for $8. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, it was such a steal. And I had been wanting to get these quads for such a long time. I only found two, and I absolutely love it. Obviously, these shades you can find in a whole bunch of different palettes, but Kat Von D shades always hold a special place in my heart. So I'm just starting out with a fluffy blending brush in that outer corner, and then we're gonna go ahead into that dark brown shade and just with a smaller, more detailed brush, deposit where I want the majority of the color to be, and then back with that blending brush, and we're just gonna go to town and really just blend the shit out of that eyeshadow. I do want the rust color to have a little bit of peek through, but I just, you know, for the most part, I really want it to just have a blended look. From the Melt Cosmetics stack, I'm using the shade Bogart, and this is a flat synthetic brush. It's a no-name brush. It did pack on the color pretty nice, but I decided that I wanted to wet my brush with a setting spray. I used the Milani Dewy Mist, and that definitely intensified the shadow a lot more, and it gave it the look that I was looking for. If you guys are curious about my contacts, they are from Misaki Cosmetics in the shade Silver Pro. And yeah, and I'm so sorry again if the purple is so distracting. I apologize, I'm a mess. So for my skin, this is the Estee Lauder, what is this? Radiance Activator, and it's just a glowy, clearly I've transformed into a dewy goddess because I don't know, I like just having a healthy skin basically. So for my foundation, I mixed the Jordana Complete Coverage Foundation and the Jouer foundation in the shade Fawn. The Jouer foundation is seriously no joke, you guys. It will cover everything. Like, you can see all of my acne scars that I have. It basically covered everything without having to color correct, and I absolutely love it. And then with that same foundation, I'm using that same concealer brush to carve out my brows, to definitely give them a more defined look. You guys know what's up. Obviously, it's been a long time, but nothing's changed because we're using the Urban Decay concealer in the shade Light Neutral. You guys know the drill. So repetitive, but you guys like, you know, seeing a full face and the transformation, because I sure love seeing people's transformations. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. It is definitely my ride or die. Like, I have repurchased it time and time again. And this is from Sonia Kashuk. I'm so sorry if you can't find this in the store anymore. It is my absolute favorite bronzer to use. You can find it at Target. I've seen it, you know, in a couple different Targets, but I know that it's not something that you can currently find. I also use the blush, and for my highlight, I'm using the Balm Marylouminzer as my highlight. And then for my bottom lash line, I went back in with that shade from the Kat Von D Quad, but it wasn't as orange as I wanted it to be, so I used this MAC shade, and bam! Look at the difference, you guys. Can't remember what it's called, but I'll have it listed in the description box below for you guys. And it just definitely intensified the look so much. I absolutely loved it. And I did my eyeliner off camera. It is from NYX. It's the Epic Ink liner. It's amazing, and it's only like $7. It's so good. I used that same Marylouminzer highlight for my inner corner because, well, why not? I think it's just really pretty, and I wanted more of a white highlight. And to set my brows, I'm using the Benefit Give Me Brow. I can't remember the shade, but I will have it listed down below for you guys as well. And just look at, so pretty. These lashes, you guys, one of them is kind of wonky, but they're Morphe lashes. I'm pretty sure they're Hot Stuff or Total Babe, because those are the only two lashes I picked up. I will have the ones that I'm wearing. I'm pretty sure they're the Total Babe ones listed down below for you guys. And the liquid lipstick that I'm wearing is from Melt Cosmetics in Death Cherry. Slowly, this formula has become one of my favorites. I absolutely love it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I had to clean off my piercing. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do so, and I will be uploading more, I promise. Thank you guys so much for watching and liking and supporting me, and until next time, bye.